You might ask, why should we study water and how might this knowledge help society? Now, a simple starting point in understanding the need to study water is that every place in the world will experience excess or shortage of water that will adversely impact our lives or our ecosystem. And in order to manage our water resources sustainably, it is very important that we understand how our activities as humans affect the amount and quality of our water. Water's terrestrial journey begins with precipitation. Now, when it rains, for example, some of the rain is intercepted by the plants, and the rest fall on the ground and infiltrates the soil. Now, the excess rain can run over the surface and into our rivers and lakes. Now, infiltrated water can flow deeper into the aquifers and become part of the groundwater. And eventually, groundwater will also flow and become part of our rivers. Now, while water is moving into the soil, water on the surface evaporates back to the atmosphere and hence completing water's cycle of life. During water's journey, these processes are continuously being altered by environmental changes, like changes in climate and changes in land use resulting from socioeconomic changes. As population grows, for example, we build more houses and buildings, we construct more roads, and we intensify agricultural production. However, sometimes the change in climate and land use becomes so great that it disrupts the balance of the system. Now, when this happens, problems like flooding following intense rainfall or water scarcity during summer months can occur. The changes in water's destiny due to environmental changes like climate and land use changes affect the benefits that we get from the ecosystem, or what we call ecosystem services. Now, our water resources provide us with many benefits like food, fresh water, biodiversity, water purification, and even recreation. In the Watershed Ecosystem Research Laboratory within the Department of Agricultural and Biological Engineering, we study how environmental stressors impact our soil and water resources and the changes in the benefits that we get from our ecosystem. We use big data, machine learning tools like hydrologic models, and social engagement to understand and predict water's destiny so that we can create a sustainable agro production system.